KeyDigital, the experts in digital video technologies and control system, welcome you to our Integrated Audio-Video Control Professionals online training curriculum. You'll gain professional knowledge from the experts on HD-Base-T and HDMI extension technologies, distribution amplifiers, HDMI switcher solutions, audio amplifiers and systems, matrix switchers, video processors, and our enterprise AV over IP system, as well as our Compass Control full integration system. By attending the IAVC Level 1 courses and achieving your certification, you will have learned everything there is to know about product usage, primary applications for each product category, system design for full circle solutions from beginning to end, features and benefits of each product, and the built-in troubleshooting tools of each and every product. By continuing to Level 2 IAVC Professional Certification, you will go over the configuration software suite available for your various software units and systems, various control interfaces offered by KeyDigital. You will cover the enterprise AV management for matrixing systems, as well as video wall management software, and you will learn the configuration software via old school TerraTerm and PuTTY terminal softwares. Let's start by briefly introducing you to our brand. To know KeyDigital is to know the leadership at KeyDigital. Since 1999, KeyDigital has been led by Mike Tsinberg, holder of over 40 patents, all in the realm of high-definition television technologies. You may know Mike as the father of DVD, or even a pioneer of HD TV. Way back in the early 1980s, he developed the high-definition transmission system, was patented for that in the mid-1980s, and that was for North American Philips Corporation. After gaining notoriety there, he was brought in by Toshiba to be head of research and development for the DVD project. So his name is on many technologies, and without him, much of what we do in the custom integration world would not be possible. KeyDigital focuses on 6 core applications: corporate, digital signage, education, government, house of worship, bar and restaurant, in addition to the residential applications as well. KeyDigital devices and systems have a variety of control interface options. In addition to third-party control systems, KeyDigital has a wealth of knowledge and experience in building control interfaces. One option is the KeyDigital app, which is a free app from the iOS App Store, where an iOS device can scan the network and find KeyDigital app-ready devices and systems, offering a pre-built GUI for controlling that device. Customization options include friendly naming and preset creation for the devices. That customization is done in the device itself, the hardware to be controlled, not in the iOS app, so it is still a professional option or requiring professional setup to some extent. However, it is a perfect control interface for applications on a tight budget, such as bar, restaurant, or house of worship, and we view it as a gateway to a professional control system, such as our Compass Control system, where the KeyDigital device and system is controlled in addition to third-party peripheral devices such as lighting control, HVAC, and more, security systems. Now, KeyDigital's Compass Control has been in the market for 6 years now, as of the recording of this video, and so it is a modern control system that is IP-based and has a very modern assemblage of third-party bidirectional control modules, leaning towards TCP/IP integration, but also supporting IR, RS-232, voltage and relay integration as well, because KeyDigital is not just a control company, we are also a hardware company. We have a very powerful hardware software suite solution, and that allows KeyDigital to be involved in more projects than ever before, but also to have a very good knowledge on devices and systems outside of just the digital video devices and systems. We partner with the best leaders in the industry for many categories in the audio-video integration realm. And another tool we use for demonstrating our knowledge and ensuring our integrators have a factory stamp of approval is the free System Design Group service offered by emailing sdg@keydigital.com. You're able to get a two-page document, typically 2 pages, where page 1 looks like a Visio-style drawing. Page 2 is a bill of materials, and all you need to do is send us what's on the outside of your system. For example, what are the sources and the displays? KeyDigital System Design Group can build what's in the middle based on that information and design what's in the middle. Give us the sources, give us the displays, give us the distances, or at least the maximum distance, so that we can specify the longest range balun extender set necessary, the desired resolution for 1080p or 4K, for example, and control, whether it be with the Compass control system. And you would also want to tell us what other devices should be controlled. For example, if you have some music streaming services, what kind of make and model of the displays, projectors, security panels, and more. Or if the system, the video distribution and switching system, will be controlled via third-party control, what that may be. Email that information over to sdg@keydigital.com. Typically, it's a 2-day turnaround time, and this is a great resource for our partners to take full advantage of. And again, ensure you have the factory stamp of approval for functionality and operability to meet the demands of your user. Now, we also have offices across the world now. Our main headquarters are in New York, and we have KeyDigital Europe located in Oslo, Norway, as well as an office in New Delhi, India, ensuring we have the proper coverage for all of our partners around the clock. But if you'd like to get in contact with our technical support or system design group or other corporate operations, you can reach out to us between 9 to 5 Eastern Daylight Time, or reach out to the European or Indian office. We thank you very much, and we look forward to getting started with Integrated Audio Video Control Professional Level 1.